So I'm going to teach you now how to navigate around your model. First, you have to grab your mouse and hold down the middle button and then move around. This is how to rotate your model, and you can rotate it in all directions. Next is zooming in and zooming out. So just have to move your scroll wheel forward and backward. And you notice that you zoom in to the point where your cursor is. Like for example, I want to zoom in on this upper right corner. All I have to do is hover my cursor over it and then zoom in. Or if I want to zoom in on the bottom left corner, all I have to do is put my cursor near it and then I can zoom in. This is why it can also be used to move around your model. Next is if you hold down the control key and then hold down the middle mouse button, you can move the model. It is also called panning. Now if you hold down the shift key instead of the control key and again hold down the middle button and then move it up and down, you can see that it's zooming in and out. So this is another way of zooming in and zooming out in a more controlled way. Next is you can also rotate the model by using the arrow keys. You can rotate the model from left to right or from right to left or from top to bottom. And it rotates by an increment of 15 degrees. But if you hold down the shift key, it will rotate by 90 degrees. Next, we're going to discuss about the different view orientation. You can access it in this quick access menu bar at the top. Just click this icon and you can see here all of the preset views like the top, front, bottom, left, right, the back, and then some of the isometric views. So for example, if you want to see your model in the front view, just click the front icon. Or for example, you want to view the top view of your model, just click the top. And there's a very useful tool, especially if you zoom in too much your model and you want it to be displayed and fit in the graphics area. All you have to do is press this zoom to fit command. Now what it does is it will zoom in or zoom out and then display the entirety of your model in the graphics area. Same with if you zoom it out too much like that, all you have to do is click the zoom to fit button. And there's a shortcut for that. Just press F and it will zoom to fit.